So hey guys, this is gonna be a quick little video, a quick get ready with me. Unfortunately I cannot link this wig down below because I did not order it online or it did not get shipped to me online. I got it from my local beauty supply shop near where I live. This is a 1B and it's the Motown Tress Let's Lace wig. This is ear to ear, no tape, no glue, and yes, it was raining outside. It kind of like killed the mood a little bit, but it's nice, I guess. So this is what the wig was looking like on my hair. I will leave a picture of what this looks like. So guys, I just plopped this on my head literally, and I'm about to get ready to cut the lace and do all of the above on this unit. I bought this today because I needed something to wear for work. And I have on a black stocking cap. And this here is looking so nice. I'm mad because like I left my umbrella at work and something told me the other day just to bring it with me, and I didn't even bring it. Style this wig, so stay tuned for that.
We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. Look, wait, we just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed.
So I just tied this down and now I'm gonna let it sit and mold so I can begin to put the lace off. But right now, once that is drying down, I'm about to just do my makeup. Hold on, guys. Before I get copyright, this is the hair. This is how the top is looking. I tried to lay this down more so it's like kind of like flat. Yeah, I'm gonna actually put you guys right there. This is the go-to hairstyle channel. This kind of reminds me of the hair I already reviewed on my channel. I think it was the one that I got off of Amazon. I'm trying to figure out the name of it. Jody Your Hair. It reminds me of that one, kind of, but I overdid it with wavy hair and I didn't pluck the hair, like the hairline. It was just kind of like a, you know, like a fast little 1-2 thing, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm so indecisive, like I can never make my mind up. Ever. Forever. So, oh, this is e.l.f. by the way, a little e.l.f. lip look here. I think, yeah, I'm gonna line them with, I have to. So I'm gonna actually line them with the powder that's like kind of already on this brush. Maybe that will make it work better. I'm just not going to do, yeah, that looks good. I'm just going to spray my face with this natural finish spray right here. Do not mind my nails, guys. I need to go get them done, but I'm literally letting them bleed because I'm broken nail right here. Oh, let me show you guys the back. I didn't know actually what to do with my hair. I just like needed a quick little style and I found this. And she's actually cute. She's cute. And I'll see you guys until next time. That's what she looks in natural lighting. I'm gonna put my ring light on so you guys can see what the ring light effect looks like. But this is what the hair looks like in natural lighting. I was gonna end the video right now, but after I show you guys what it looks like on the ring light, then I'll end the video. So this is what she's looking like, ring light edition. From there, I think I'm gonna just fill that in with baby hairs. I don't know, guys. I'll think about it. Whoa, that's pretty. See y'all later.